To enable or disable one-handed keyboard for Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G, first of all we'll need to open the settings on our device. Next step is to scroll all the way down and click on additional settings. From here go to the languages and input, click on manage keyboard and then Gboard. That way we'll be able to find preferences, select them, then scroll down until we find the one-handed keyboard. Now you can switch between right-handed or left-handed keyboard. Let's pick right-handed and then try to open our keyboard. As you can see, there's not much difference. Only thing is that this bar is now on the left, which means you can easily, and it also lowers a window for your keyboard, so it's much easier to access it with that specific right hand. If you would enable it for the left hand, then it would just replace this bar to move right here. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.